Hi, I'm Blake and I'm a cook. Come take a look. I've made mac and cheese and I'm in the process of finishing it. Earlier on today I made an all butter pound cake and homemade Chips Ahoy Chewies. So let's go ahead and strain this bad boy out and then we'll add cheese, butter. Find a strainer. This is where I keep all my stuff. Pan down. Okay. Just a quick pour. I like to kind of douse it. Not all at once because I like the science to do it. I like magic. The science of magic. You want all the water.
Was that hot? Was it too hot again?
You want all the water to come out of the noodles. Because you don't. Oh my gosh.
Why do you do that every time?
Okay, we pour them back in. Oh my god.
Just strain it without punching it. You don't need to, that doesn't do anything.
It gets the water out.
No, it doesn't. That's what the strainer is for. You just strain it. That's all it needs. It's a coffee. That makes coffee.
It helps. It's the grounds that help take the sting out.
Oh my god, please just finish
Okay.
making it.
Then we go ahead and we take the cheese and we take it in a quick dump. It's such a quick dump. Pan down. Then just the quickest of splash. We're almost done. We add a little bit of butter. I like to make my cooking always a challenge. And make sure you know this is not ice cream, because I thought it was a long time, for a long while. And then you just mix. And you're done.
I think you need to mix it more. It's still hot. You just strained it. Stop. Oh my god. Just keep it in your mouth.
And that's the finished product.
Don't you need to stir it a little more?
And that's the finished product.
It's still
And that's the finished product. Thanks for tuning in. I'm a cook and my name is Blake. Thanks for tuning in.